You always want what you can't have, and while you had it.
We're 1 week away from the next Samsung event. Samsung will launch its first Galaxy S phone with a built-in stylus, virtually resurrecting the Note line. That's the Galaxy S22 Ultra, of course, which appeared in several leaks ahead of its reveal. But we now have the first unofficial hands-on account from a Verizon sales representative who had a chance to use the Galaxy S22 Ultra during a training session. A Verizon sales rep posted on Reddit under the name I Smokes Cookies, claiming that they've seen and held the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and answering questions. They claimed that the phone looks a lot like the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, but seems slimmer and lighter, though slightly wider than the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. The phone apparently has a matte finish on its glass back which looked amazing in person, and apparently the S Pen stylus is the same size as the one that comes with the Note 20 Ultra. They also said that the Galaxy S22 Ultra has a 5000 mAh battery, and that the base model comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, but that there are also 256GB and 512GB models, both of which have 12GB of RAM. The front-facing camera is apparently 40MP, while the rear camera apparently has larger sensors than the Galaxy S21 Ultra, but supposedly the same software, which, to be honest, seems unlikely, since Samsung often adds tweaks and features. Finally, there's said to be no charger in the box, and the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will apparently hit stores on February 25th, which we've heard before. That's the news we have got today. So as usual, fellows and ladies, thank you all for coming in and watching. See you in another video.